Here I am with the champion, and this is a big point of contention between Michael and I. Michael wants me to work on this boat, wants me to make it the next project boat. He's been pushing me, and I want to be honest with everybody, I don't want to do it. And I've said before, and I'll say it again, this boat, in my opinion, is way too nice a boat. I think another boat that we're looking at, that we're going to go see next week, is a lot more suited for our build that I want to build. There's nothing wrong with this boat. I mean, if you look at the trailer, I'm going to tell you all something. We have trailers coming in and out of here on newer boats that are in worse shape than this is. And I'm just being honest with you. If I thought the trailer was in bad shape, I'd work on the trailer. But we have boats that are in here that are a year and a half old that have a lot of trailer problems. If you go through and look at this trailer looks great. If you look at this boat looks great. No, it's not a brand new boat. You know, it is not a brand new boat. In fact, the only area that I can see that would be roughly working on it is down there. Sorry for the cobwebs. But, you know, work on the dash a little bit, put some carpet or different flooring in there, you know, give it another good clean up. But quite honestly, I just don't see it. But Michael keeps wanting me to do it. I don't want to do it. I just don't think. I think the boat it's too nice a boat. This boat is not a project boat. So anyway, we decided the best way to handle this is let you guys vote on it. First, on whether or not we should work on this or just sell it. You all know my opinion on it. You know Michael's opinion on it. If you want to see us work on it, comment down below. I'll also be interested to see what you think should be done to it. So I personally would like to see it sold, go into a home, and being out there on the water fishing out of, you can be fishing out of this thing pretty fast. So and I'm going to tell you, this last week Michael worked on several boats, and this is just as good as all those boats that he worked on. So if you're interested in the boat, also shoot out to Mike and try to get it from him, save me from having to work on it. But we're going to leave it up to you. That's Michael's decision, and I'll go with what yours decision is. But I would be interested if you say, well, you should work on it. You tell me what we should be working on. So you know, keep in mind, we're not going to be putting $20,000 worth of electronics on this thing. So anyway,
unless Garmin wants to sponsor us.
I just think the project boat should be rough like the original 363 that we did. This boat is not rough. Well, yeah, there's some stuff that could be done on it. I spent a couple of days on it, but I don't think I don't know. I guess I'm trying to sway everybody's opinion, and that's not really very fair, but it either comes down to work on the boat or sell the boat. So please comment down below, and if you're interested in a really good boat, reach out to Michael, and please help me out on this, guys, because I don't want to work on this thing. Thank you. Have a great day.